Good day, Kabarangay. Welcome to Walk Sophia. And today, I would like to share with you, especially to my fellow stroke warrior. Yes, I have to share with you that to become happy, become rich, become to recover, to become wise, to become smart is not due to accident or haphazard event or shallow coincidences. It is deliberate. In our language, sinasadya na maging mayaman, sinasadya na maging matalino, sinasadya na maging maligaya. Hindi yung bathala na. Hindi ganon. Kaya, to my fellow stroke warrior, which I read from our group chat, there was a question: how will I stop myself from being indolent? Sounds like that. Kung paano raw itigil maging tamad. Actually, ang lahat na nangyari sa atin, ang mga nagawa natin, ay pawang mga deliberate na we decided, we thought for a long time, nag-isip tayo na mag-isip, hanggat sa nag-decide tayo. Then, after decision, we took action. Ganon. Kasi, between relationship, money, and time, ang pinaka, including gold or diamond, ang pinaka mahalaga sa mundong ito ay oras. Kaya, stop wasting for my fellow stroke warrior, fellow companion in this journey to recovery. When you decide, take action. Stop keep on thinking and thinking. Tomorrow we'll think again on the same manner, the same rut. When you thought it well, decide. When you decided it, stand on it. Then you decided, you take action, then you persist in that action. That's how most of the recovered patient, stroke recovery patient na which I met, they have that kind of attitude. And so, it's awesome. Yun lang po. Bye-bye.